Hello and good morning, students. Today, we are going to enter a new topic under LE3 listening skill, which is information transfer. Okay, students, let's move on to the topic. Okay, students, first of all, let's look at the definition. Information transfer means making sense of the data given in one form and transferring them to another. The data given can be in the form of charts, graphs, diagrams, figures, maps, etc. Other types of information transfer may include ordering a sequence of pictures, comparing text and pictures, and completing documents. The data that usually given may be in the form of advertisements, headlines of newspapers, and pie diagrams. Okay, students, let's look at the another definition. Okay, students, we are still under definition. When information in text form is transferred to another one form, for example, visual form, it can be more effectively processed and retained. The way to transfer information from one form to another is called transition device. Its function in reading comprehension can be shown in the following diagrams. Oh, okay, students. Okay, stop share. Okay, students. These are the diagrams that I mentioned in my previous slides. Okay, it shows the process of information transfer. It starts with sophisticated input and followed by transition device. And finally, you will get your output. So these are the easiest process that you need to follow in order to transfer an information from one data to another one. Okay, students, now let's look at some example of transition device that are used to transform information. Okay, students, below are some transition devices that are often used. The first one will be pictures, tables, pie charts, chronological sequence, drawings, tree diagrams, bar charts, subtitles, providing subtitles, maps, cyclic diagrams, flow charts, and finally notes, taking notes while reading. Okay, students, these are the some of the form of transition device that are often used. So basically, this transition device help us to transfer one information to another form. Okay, students, let's move on to the next part. Okay, students, now let's look at one of the examples of transition device, which is pie chart. Okay, now I'm going to play a video. In this video, there are the example of transition device of pie charts and how the information is transferred from pie chart to another form. Okay, please look at the video carefully.
Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to St. Peter's English Medium School. Dear students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of God Almighty. As we have been discussing earlier about the information transfer, today we'll be discussing about pie chart. Our today's topic is pie chart. So come on, dear students, let's just see how we could write a pie chart. That is, a pie chart is already given to you all and we need to write an analytical paragraph. how you need to transform a pie chart to an analytical paragraph. So here we have write an analytical paragraph on the basis of the given information. So we have the two pie charts below, which shows the percentage of different sectors of India in the year 2010 to 2020. Now this pie chart, dear students, we can see in the above video, and this is the pie chart which shows 2020. So these are the different occupations. These are the different sectors which is showing us the various sectors in the year 2010 to 2020. That means what had been increased and what had been decreased. So here we are going to see the increase and decrease of these various sectors in the above pie chart. After viewing the above sectors and their percentages, we need to transform that in a paragraph, in an analytical paragraph. Now dear students, let me tell you, the above pie chart carries around 5 marks. First, you need to write the title for the pie chart. Second, you need to write all the points you need to cover. Whatever points are there in the above picture, you have to cover all the points. That carries 2 marks. Then the appropriate graphic means you need to write in 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Then the overall presentation carries 1 mark. That is how you present your paragraph. In this way, total 5 marks it carries around. Now coming towards the above question, the important steps we need to remember while writing the paragraph is, just now as I told you, first we need to write the title. So after seeing the pie chart, what title have come in your mind? As you know, the title should be short and sweet. So after looking towards the above pie chart, you can decide your own title. And then you have to discuss the background information. Means whatever is been there in the pie chart, you have to write, you have to cover all the points. And now here we need to focus on the contribution of various sectors of India. What we have seen, dear students, in the pie chart? We have seen the 2 pie charts, that is 2010, 2020. In the 2 pie charts, we have seen how the different sectors have contributed their growth or their reduction. That is what we are going to see in the above pie chart. And now what will be your opening lines? How you have to start your paragraph? You have to start your paragraph by opening lines. Now what are these opening lines? That will be your question. So opening lines means, see, this is the above question you can see in the video. The 2 pie charts below show the percentage of different sectors of India in 2010 to 2020. So the same lines can be your opening line, but you cannot use the same line. Somewhere you need to change few words, like the 2 pie charts represents. So what we have done here, in the place of the word below, we have shown represents. So you need to edit the words below show and you need to write the word represent. The percentage of different, again we have modified the word different towards various sectors of India in 2010 to 2020. So dear students, what we have done over here is, kindly just focus. The opening lines we need to start is again carried out from the same question which is given in your question paper. But what you need to do is, the same lines means exactly what is there, we can't write that. So we need to change few words and we need to write the opening line, like how we have done in the above sentence. That is, we have changed the words show and we have written represent. The same way we have also changed the word different and we have written various. Now here we have one more opening line. If you want to write, you can also write in this way. Again the same sentence, but what we have changed? Display. What we have given the word display. We have just tried to change the word show to display. And here we also added contribution in the place of percentage. And again we have used the same word different. You can see the third sentence also. We have used the word describe in the place of the word show. And again we have used the word numerous in the place of the word percentage. So in this way, dear students, we can use different kinds of vocabulary words. Yes, these are called vocabulary words. As you have seen, dear students, I was sending the vocabulary words video to you all. I also told you all to just concentrate on the above words and write it in your grammar notebook and practice it. Why I told you to practice it? Because vocabulary words will be used in your writing skills. You can see in this way. In this way, if you are familiar with the more vocabulary words, we can use the more amount of vocabulary words in the writing skills. So using the vocabulary words, you can start your analytical paragraph for the above pie chart with the various different words. This is the way to start your opening line.